Just look at this magical sunset. Yes, in the midst of hunting, looking for birds. Then I just came across the sunset. I just left everything, my gun and the works, even the steering wheel I left for this. This is magical, man. You only see this once in a while. You have to be absolutely out of this world to be living this life that I have chosen. I've left everything. I've left my family. My wife left me. And I mean, basically, I have chosen this life, you know, to live off the land, to enjoy every little morsel. If I catch one fish, I grill it, I share it with friends and family. That is the best thing. I shoot some partridges, I cook some, I save